For the first one, chemical combination reaction. Hari balana, combination reaction, or we call synthesis reaction, right? Chemical combination or chemical synthesis reaction. First reaction, chemical combination reaction. Right, but how can we identify combination, combine, and two elements dekak hari, right? Two molecules, two elements, two molecules, or elements with molecules, right? React together, form one product. Ek product ya khadana. A plus B. A, they react with B. A plus B, they are getting together, making AB. They are getting together and making AB, right? Sometimes you also predict like such a reaction, right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ වගේ reaction predict කරනවා නේ this උඩ bulk එක ස්කෝලේ bulk උඩ හරි ඒ වගේ. A plus B making AB product, right? To write the common reaction, look at the first one. The formation of new compound. This is the newly formed compound by the combination of elements with element. Element එකක් එක්ක. Or elements with compound. Element එකක් compound එකක් එක්ක. Or compounds with compound. Example, photosynthesis, carbon dioxide plus water is known as chemical combination reaction. Then write down the reaction A plus B, or A plus B making AB. A plus B making AB. Right, for the first one, example for chemical combination reaction. For the when we write the chemical reaction, need to be considered about the few right factors. First one, we have to use standard symbol. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම standard symbol එක ලියන්න ඕනේ in correct method. The example, sodium, capital N, simple A. You cannot write capital A, right? Next one, and we have to balance the chemical reaction. අනිවාර්යෙන් balance කරන්න ඕනේ. Unless your chemical reaction is incorrect. Even you correctly write the product එක හරියට ලිව්වත්, if you are unable to balance it, it is an incorrect chemical reaction. Next one, if you have knowledge, you have to write the physical state. But writing the physical state is not compulsory. Solid, liquid, gas, or aqueous. Solid එකක්ද, liquid එකක්ද, gas එකක්ද, නැත්නම් solution එකක්ද කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන් නම් වඩා හොඳයි. හැබැයි මුල් දෙක අනිවාර්යෙන් කරන්න ඕනේ. We have to write the standard symbols after that, and we have to balance the chemical reaction. Reaction එක අනිවාර්යෙන්ම balance කරන්නම ඕනේ. Right? Look at the first one. Example for chemical combination reaction. So this is the basic reaction. මේ තමයි basic reaction එක. ලියන්න එපා පුතේ බලන්න. Reaction of sodium with oxygen gas. But most of the metal react with sodium. In this unit, we need to discuss most of the metal reacting with sodium and making metallic oxide. Then you have to know about the valency of the metals, right? Remember, and grade 10 third unit, and we discuss about the valency of the ions, valency of the metals, as well as the radicals, right? And they have the fixed valencies, right? First one, sodium react with water, sodium, so they physically state solid, plus oxygen gas, O2G. First one, reaction of sodium with oxygen gas. So what is the product? Sodium first group alkaline metals. How do you call alkaline? Therefore, valency 1. Oxygen second group, so 6 group element, it needs 2 electrons to be stable. Therefore, oxygen valency 2. 6 group element needed 2 electrons to be neon. The example, when takes one electron, fluorine. When takes the second electron, is stable, gaining the electronic configuration of the closer noble gas neon. So what is the valency 2? Next one, we need to extend the valency. Valency දෙක මාරු කරනවා. Na2O1. Then commonly, when we write the chemical reaction, normally one is not writing. This is the formula Na2O. This is the solid, right? Then still this is incorrect reaction. Make a tamat incorrect. Reason, if you count number of atoms, this is the reactants within reactants sticker. How do you call reactants? And this is called product. Then product side 2 sodium, 1 sodium, right? Product side 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen. For the basic one, if it is not balanced, we have to remove the odd number. Odd number kain karanna one. Again, odd sankhya wain karala. We have to convert it to the even number. Ma kanuth oka kiyala dela tiyenawa. Then you can identify in here one is odd number and one atom of oxygen, but 2 is even number, and the value in here multiplied by 2, right? How do you call for this? You know about that value, number of moles. Number of moles. Then how many sodium atoms? 2 into 2, 4. Sodium 2 into 2, 4. In here you have to write 4. How many oxygen? This 2 common for atom sodium and oxygen. Then how many oxygen atom? 2 into 1, 2 oxygen. 2 oxygen. Balance. This is the balanced chemical reaction, right? And again, if it's not balanced and we have to balance, how can we balance? By removing the odd number. Odd number kain karana. This is the odd number multiplied by 2. Then 2 oxygen to 2 oxygen. 4 of sodium in here multiplied by 4. 4 sodium, right? This is the first reaction. And this is the physical state: sodium solid, oxygen gaseous, sodium oxide solid. So write the first reaction and balance it. Real balance karanna. And then write the second one, reaction of magnesium with oxygen gas. Reaction of magnesium with oxygen gas. So the magnesium solid S, oxygen gas G. Then they are reacting together and making product. What is the product? Magnesium second group valency 2, oxygen 6 group valency 2. Then we can cancel, right? And valency is 2 to 2, 1 and 1. Formula MgO, right? MgO, magnesium oxide solid. 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen, not balanced. So we have to multiply, we have to remove the odd number, multiply by 2. Then 2 oxygen, 2 magnesium, balance. Then write the second one, reaction with magnesium metal with oxygen. Right, third one, reaction of aluminum with oxygen gas. Try to write. Decide the product. Product එක decide කරන්න. Next one, aluminum solid react with oxygen gas. They write down the product and balance it. Find the valencies and exchange the valency to decide the product. To decide the product, aluminum, think about the group number. So valency equal to its group number. For the aluminum valency 2, right? Sorry, 3, because third group. Oxygen valency 2. Aluminum valency 3, oxygen valency 2. We need to exchange the valency. Al2O3. Al2O3. Then write the product aluminum oxide Al2O3. Right. Then check whether number of atoms in either side equal. 1 aluminum, 2 aluminum. They are not equal. 3 oxygen, in here 2 oxygen. So you can see the odd number. What is the odd number? 3. 3 is the odd number. They try to balance it. බලන්න balance කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා? Remove the odd number, right? Then you can easily balance it. Right, put in here 3 to remove the odd number multiplied by 2. Now, and this 2 is common for aluminum and oxygen, right? Then how many oxygen atoms? 2 into 3, 6. In here 2, to convert 2 to 6 multiplied by 3. 4 aluminum, in here 4 aluminum, balance. Then write the last one. Reaction of iron with oxygen gas. So they assume valency of iron is 2, right? Valency of iron is 2. Iron Fe, solid, ferrum. React with oxygen gas, making iron oxide. But they have equal valencies like magnesium and oxygen. Iron and oxygen have equal valency like magnesium and oxygen. Formula FeO, solid. Then balance it. So they 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 1 iron to 1 iron. You have to balance oxygen. Then how the balance කරන්න ඕනේ? Oxygen balance කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔතේ අඩ මේ ටික පේන්නේ නැද්ද? Iron Fe plus O2, FeO. So then here 2 oxygen multiplied by 2, 2 oxygen, 2 iron, 2 iron. Balance chemical reaction. Right, next one, second one. Reaction of nonmetals with oxygen gas. Reaction of nonmetals with oxygen gas, because there are 3 reactions in here, right? Reaction of nonmetals with oxygen gas. Reaction of carbon with oxygen gas. Today carbon is a solid. O2 gas. Then form carbon dioxide gas. It is a balanced chemical reaction. 1 carbon to 1 carbon, 2 oxygen to 2 oxygen. They write the reaction. Then if you can write the other reaction. Second one, reaction of sulfur with oxygen gas. When sulfur burn with oxygen, what are the observation? Monada udaharana. Third unit we discuss about this reaction. Sulfur yellow color crystal sometimes exists in white color powder, right? How do you call the one of the element exists in two forms in room temperature, and they are called allotrope, right? How do you call allotrope? What are the two forms of the allotrope of the sulfur? Crystal form. What is the color? Yellow color. Amorphous form. What is the color? White color. When burned with oxygen and they are burning with blue color flame, නිල් පාට දැල්ලක් එක දහණය වෙනවා. As well as producing a pungent smell, because sulfur dioxide has a pungent, we call bad smell, right? The reaction next one, sulfur solid, O2 gas. Product is sulfur dioxide SO2G. Colorless gas, but flame is blue color. SO2 colorless gas, but when yellow sulfur burn with oxygen gas producing blue flame, නිල් පාට දැල්ලක් එක දහණය වෙනවා. Then 2 oxygen, 1 sulfur to 1 sulfur. Next one, reaction of phosphorus with oxygen gas. Phosphorus plus O2 gas. Right. Then making, what is the most stable valency of the phosphorus? What is the group number? Group number of the phosphorus is 5. It shows two valencies. First one 3, the other one 5. The most stable valency is 5, right? So decide the formula. Phosphorus valency 5. Oxygen valency 2. And decide the formula of the phosphorus reacted with oxygen gas. Exchange the valency, right? Then you can decide the formula, then balance the reaction. ඊට පස්සේ balance කරන්න. Phosphorus plus oxygen. Valency of phosphorus 5, oxygen 2. Then we have exchanged the valency P2O5. Formula P2O5. How do you call for that? Phosphorus pentoxide. What's the name of this? Phosphorus pentoxide. P2O5 means phosphorus pentoxide. Okay, then look at the odd number 5. Therefore, we have to convert this to the even number, multiply by 2. 2 into 5, 10. In here, multiply by 5. 2 into 2, 4 phosphorus. 4 phosphorus. Balance. And then third reaction. Reaction of metallic oxide with. මෙතන එතන හදන්න third එකේ error එකක් තියෙනවා. Reaction of metallic oxide with water. Water කරන්න එතන. Reaction of metallic oxide with water. Reaction of metallic oxide with water. For the alkaline oxide, හරිද? Sodium react with oxygen gas, making sodium oxide. Right? Don't write. Sodium, earlier you wrote this reaction. Sodium react with oxygen gas, making sodium oxide. Sorry, I'm not going to balance this. Balance කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ මෙතන. Then sodium oxide react with water, liquid. Then form sodium hydroxide. strong base, and this is aqueous solution because water liquid, right? Sodium oxide react with water making sodium hydroxide. But then lithium, first group metallic element. What are the first group metallic element? Lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium, sodium, potassium. When lithium react with oxygen making lithium oxide. Potassium react with oxygen making potassium oxide. Then lithium oxide react with water. What is the product? Lithium hydroxide. Strong base. Potassium oxide react with water making potassium hydroxide. Another strong base, right? Then alkaline oxide. Alkaline can first group made alkaline. How do you call for them? Alkaline. Alkaline oxide reacted with water making very strong bases, right? Another example, magnesium, second group element. Calcium, second group element. When calcium react with oxygen making calcium oxide. Magnesium react with oxygen making magnesium oxide. When calcium oxide react with water making calcium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide reacted with water making magnesium hydroxide. Right? How do you call for them? Weak bases. They are called weak bases, right? But formation of such strong base and weak base considered as combination reaction, right? Look at the first one. Reaction of metallic oxide with water. So write the first one, sodium oxide with water. Then the sodium oxide with water. Sodium oxide with water. Then write the reaction and try to balance this. Make a balance karan. Sodium oxide plus water makes sodium hydroxide. Let's try to balance it. Balance karan. Find the odd number and remove it. Right. I think you could balance the reaction. 2 sodium, 1 sodium. This is the odd number. Multiply by 2. Right. Now 2 sodium, 2 sodium. Sodium balance. 1 plus 1, 2 oxygen. 2 oxygen. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Balanced chemical reaction. Right. The second one. The magnesium oxide. Solid plus water, liquid. Write the product and balance it. Product and balance. Sodium oxide react with water, sodium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide react with water making weak base, magnesium hydroxide. Decide the formula.
So, කොතන ලියන්නේ?
You have to exchange the valency. In here, magnesium second group metallic element, hydroxyl valency 1, radical. So we have to exchange the valency. And this one below the magnesium, 2 is common for oxygen and hydrogen. 2 is common for oxygen and hydrogen. So what is the formula? Mg, then we are not going to write 1, OH, and this 2 common for oxygen, hydrogen, out of the bracket 2. How do you pronounce that? Pronounce karane? Magnesium hydroxide, right? MgOH twice. MgOH twice, right? Magnesium hydroxide. Then product is MgOH twice. AQ, very weak base. Commonly we call antacid milk of magnesia. The patient who suffer from the gastric commonly use magnesium hydroxide weak base to reduce the pain. How do you call antacid? මේවට කියනවා අපි antacid එකක් කියලා. Right, then try to balance one magnesium. Take 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 1 plus 1, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Balance. Make a balance reaction. Right. Then write the next one, fourth one. Reaction of magnesium with nitrogen gas and needed special condition because nitrogen is inert, right? Nitrogen gas is inert gas. In special condition, nitrogen gas react with magnesium. In a special condition, nitrogen gas react with magnesium. Then form product. Magnesium, what is the valency? Second group, valency 2. Nitrogen, fifth group, valency 3. So we have to exchange the valency. What is the formula? Mg3N2. How do you call? Magnesium nitride. Antimata iddenne. ID, hari? Magnesium nitride. Then write the formula Mg3N2, right? Then this is the burn, the gaseous product. Because high temperature this reaction occurs, so magnesium start to burn and making the product magnesium nitride. They try to balance it. Try to balance, right? Magnesium inert, essential special condition to react. How's it? In here 2 nitrogen balance, 3 magnesium. Directly you can write 3 in here. 3 magnesium balance. So balance chemical reaction. For the next one, reaction of nitrogen gas with hydrogen gas within fertilizer industry, right? Nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas in special condition and making ammonia. Ammonia essential to make urea. Therefore, this reaction especially, right, is done in fertilizer industry, right? And to make the ammonium, the fertilizers consisted with ammonia, right? This method is called Haber method, right? Haber method. The either reaction in special condition, nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas, make ammonia gas Na3G. They try to balance this reaction. Balance the reaction. When you write the formula, keep the space in here to balance the chemical reaction. Actually, I think you could balance the reaction. 2 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, right? 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. In here, both are odd numbers. Multiply by 2, right? 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. 2 into 3, 6 hydrogen. In here, 2. To convert 2 to 6, multiply by 3. It's a balanced chemical reaction. Last one, reaction of hydrogen gas with chlorine gas, right? So this is the one of the, right, the vigorous reaction. The explosion also happened. Hydrogen gas when reacted with chlorine gas, right? Hydrogen gas H2 reacted with chlorine gas, making hydrochloric acid. G, vapor. Have a vapor ka hai HCl vapor. 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. Try to balance it. Making HCl vapor, hydrochloric gas. The one of the vigorous reaction. Did you balance it? 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, balance. So they are the example for, right? And they are the reaction for we call chemical combination reaction, or we call chemical synthesis reaction.